This is a production of Cornell University.
This is a short PowerPoint presentation on getting used to using the NYSPAD website to get label information. I hope that you find it helpful so that you can fill out your Master Gardener sheets in order to complete the training in a few weeks. So the first thing to do is to go to the NYSPAD website. The website address is listed up here and in your handout, but you can also just Google NYSPAD and you will come right to this website. What you want to do in order to get a label is to look to where I've circled it in yellow under pesticides information and press products. That will bring you to the search engine part of the NYSPAD website. The search engine is very nice. You can search by different categories. You can look for insecticides with a specific lower toxicity level. You can find out if a product is restricted or not. It's very, very powerful. But for us, what we're just going to do, we're trying to find a particular label. We're going to enter the label number. We're going to enter the product EPA registration number and to try to find the label. So what you do is where I've circled in red product EPA registration number, we're going to use that pull down menu to choose New York product number. So you pull down New York product number and leave it there and then enter your EPA registration number. It can have the dash number, so where it says 42697-60, put the dashes in. Then slide your mouse down to the bottom of the search page and to find that search button. You won't be able to see it when you're putting in the EPA number. It's sort of off screen. So you have to slide the website screen down so you can find that search button and then press that. If it works, you'll see this card, so to speak, that shows the information of the product that you've put the EPA number in for. So in this case, I put in the number for Safer Soap, very common insecticide. And the card shows you a few things. One that has, of course, the name of the product, the New York product number or the EPA number, the company, and whether it's restricted use or not. In this case, there's no restrictions, which means that homeowners can buy this product and use it. If it was restricted in New York, that means only certified pesticide applicators could use that product. The second circle, it says LI use yes, and that means the product can be used in Long Island. In some products leach too quickly through the soil, and the sandy soils of Long Island, you could have a potential for groundwater pollution. So there are some chemicals that you cannot use in Long Island. You can use them here in upstate New York, but not in Long Island. So that will tell you that. In the square, there's a button called More, and you press that to get the label. Once you press that, another more detailed card will come up with more information about your product. It has information about what type of product. In this case, it's an insecticide. It's used in home gardens and ornamental plantings. And I want to point out that it also will have the signal warning. In this case, it's warning. It might be caution, warning, or danger, or I guess poison and the most toxic of pesticides. So that's a good thing to be able to find. If you want to get the label, you press the most recent label date. In this case, it's for 3/9/2017. So press the blue highlighted numbers for the most recent label for this product. And what will come up is a picture of the label for Safer Soap. You probably, if you had chosen this product to look at, you would be seeing what's on the left, and on the upper right is the back side of the label. But inside, once you purchase a product, you kind of peel away this part and you see the actual fine print, so to speak, of the label, how it's used on what insects, the application rates, etc. In this case, your eyes would be better than mine if you could read that. So here's a little tip in order to read the fine print of a label. You want to swipe your mouse to the right, and sort of magically these three buttons will appear. If you press the plus button, it increases the font size, so you'll be able to read this fine print. And I actually like to use this because, quite frankly, a lot of labels, they have to squeeze so much information into them that the actual physical label, the paper label that's part of the product, the type's really small. So it is really nice to be able to have this larger, be able to really read it. You could print it out and be able to study the label. Because remember, the label is the law. You have to apply a chemical according to the label, whether it's organic or not. And so that part of what we want you to learn is how to quickly access the most important parts of information for the label. What's the first aid? What's the environmental hazards? What's the product? What kind of PPE, protective equipment that you need to wear in order to protect yourself when using the chemical? Those kind of things. So we just want you to be familiar with the aspects of a label, specifically with safety in mind. I hope you have enjoyed this PowerPoint, and good luck searching NYSPAD.
This has been a production of Cornell University, on the web at cornell.edu.